With the BBR Tuning Racing Series DIO cylinder body and reed assembly, a ported cylinder body with a high-performance reed valve intake system. This race assembly was made for race engines in mind. Unlike other cylinders, the BBR Tuning Racing Series DIO cylinder body is ported to allow maximum fuel and air mixing within your motor. The exhaust port can fit nearly any performance muffler as well as any stock exhaust muffler you want to run, which the intake port is specifically designed to accept the reed valve assembly included with this kit. As we all know, reeds allow a bigger, better, and smoother flow of fuel and air into your motor. Unlike other reeds that simply act as an oversized manifold, this reed is made to accept only the highest performing carburetors around. With a 32mm opening, like the BBR Tuning high-performance 2-stroke OKO style carburetor without a single problem. With the right carburetor, this reed will deliver tons of fuel and air to your motor and give you higher speeds and even more torque.